Hey y'all, if you see the title of this video, you already know what's going on. But y'all, I know it's been a minute since my last video, but let's get a commotion for this camera that I'm filming on now. Let me show y'all. I think I showed on my Instagram already, but y'all, yeah, I finally got my camera and I can never be so happy. I feel like this is going to be way more easier for me to vlog and get my YouTube videos out than using my phone. And baby, my phone needed a break. Period. But anyways, y'all. I really just been working a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. My forehead look big. But I've been working a lot. I've been doing a lot of overtime. But I can't complain. My life has been great. It's been good. It's been peaceful. Now, it is currently April 10th. I don't remember the last time I dropped my video. I know it's been a minute, probably a month, but it's April 10th. I really didn't have much planned this week. I know I posted a reel for yesterday, but other than that, I am going to the beach tomorrow. I haven't been to the beach in a minute. I love a good beach day. And I just got this new bikini and I can't wait to show y'all because it eats down. Yeah. But I'm supposed to be going to this B&B next week as well for like one of my friend's birthday too. So I'm gonna try to vlog that. I need to stop saying I'm gonna try because I have no excuse. I have a whole camera now, so I can't be behind. I can't be slacking. So yeah. But I really don't have that much planned for April. It's just really stacking up my bread. In May, I really don't have nothing planned for May. But in May, I am getting ready for a trip coming up in the summer. Yes, I'm not gonna tell y'all where. But when that video drop, you'll know where. But other than that, y'all, I've been good. I've been okay. I've been at peace. I've been happy. I can never complain. And yeah, I hope everyone else is doing good too. If not, sorry y'all, I was thirsty. But to anyone who's not doing well, your day is coming, your time is coming. Don't rush anything. Everything's coming. But with that being said, y'all, I just came over here to start my vlog. But I keep pausing. Cause I be thinking I'm forgetting what I need to say. But yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow. But till then, y'all, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It is currently April the 11th, 7:38 in the morning. It is time for me to get ready to go to the beach. And I'm not playing, y'all. Like, it's literally 7 o'clock in the morning. Like, look at this. Wait, I'm gonna get up, start getting ready, and I'll pick up the camera with I have my baby suit on and stuff. And everything's back. Okay, y'all, so this is my beach fit for today. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm running behind.
Yeah, y'all. This is my beach fit. Period. But I'm finna get ready to leave the house. So I'm gonna pick up the camera either on the road or when we get to our destination. But yeah, y'all, that's the fit. Period after all. Yeah, this fit go hard. But I'll see y'all later. Bye. Okay, y'all. So we are currently at the gas station right now. And I am with my lovely Sin. Cynthia, say hey! You can't really see her. No. Say hi to the camera!
Hi!
We are going to Sarasota Beach. I don't know which one we're going to. Do you know which one we're going to?
No.
We don't know which one we're going to. But when we get there, we will tell y'all. But, y'all, body is tea. Skin is glistening. I have a bump right here. And I had a bump on my nose. I never had a bump on my nose, so I don't know where the fuck it came from. But, yeah. I'm gonna take some clips of us probably singing, driving. But other than that, y'all get a conversation with me once we hit the beach. Okay guys, so we are in Publix getting beach snacks.
What do we do?
It really don't matter.
Hot chip, regular chip.
I really don't. I feel like my problem is I'm not hungry. That's the problem. I got it! Okay, now. Okay, y'all, so we made it to Sarasota, but before we get to the beach, we are at Target. Y'all know I love me a good Target. I got this bag from Shein too.
That's cute.
Yes.
A little outfit machine.
Even the hat. For the people who say you can't order from Shein, that's a lie. I literally ordered from Shein like 2 times since whatever broke out. Alright, yeah, so we are getting more snacks. Well, I'm getting snacks. Cynthia already got snacks at the Publix. Oh, those are 3 for $5. The Pringles. I'm gonna do Funyuns too. Period. April. I don't want no candy. That's probably what's breaking me out. Excuse me. Rebel? I haven't tried this one. The wild berries.
Juneberry. I tried this one. This one's good.
Yeah. It's 3 for $8.
3 for $8? Okay, wait, let's get different ones. Strawberry apricot.
Yeah. Wait. All of this is sugar free. Oh. You see how we look? Okay, they have
regular ones.
okay, they have
Oh, these are regular.
Yeah. Okay. Then we need one more that's not sugar free, cause what the fuck?
I guess we can be healthy.
I guess. use that last. Cranberry?
Cranberry for what?
Oh, we just. This is our chaser right here.
Grab this one from here.
Let me put this in here. Alright, guys. Okay, that's pretty much it for snacks, right?
Oh, they got more flavors here.
Okay.
They have watermelon. They have the sweet apricot. Tropical one.
I haven't tried that one. This one is really good.
This is what's Kuruba?
That's really good. I tried that one. Don't we need like shot glasses?
Do we?
Or we just gonna waterfall it?
We can get cups.
Okay.
Cups. Two cups.
Let's go. Okay, guys. I think we got like 5 Red Bulls. I'm not gonna sit here and play with you. Period.
Finally, Jay.
Is that like an actual scooter? I've never seen a scooter like that. One thing I hate is I hate when people stare at me. I stand on that firmly.
Rather stay and watch the waves beneath my feet. Reggae on the radio, laying low and feeling high.
Is this it? Yeah. Oh. Go ahead. This is. Okay, y'all. So we's at the liquor store.
Apple, blackberry, peach.
Crown. What you feeling? I have trauma with this one.
When?
For my birthday. HHN?
It was this one?
Yes. 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 I said I would never drink that shit again.
We got some rum.
You drink rum? Okay. Is all the liquor they got? Can't be.
The Yotitos.
Mm-mm.
Look, this is the one I was talking. It's just spicy.
Spicy? You like spicy liquor?
Sorry.
You like
That's the
spicy
first-
liquor?
That's the first time I had that.
Ciroc is vodka? I like Ciroc. That's crazy. I don't even see Pink Whitney in here, but we're not getting that. Oh, it's right there.
What?
Pink Whitney.
How many you want? Just one?
I want Pink Whitney.
I know. I don't know why you even.
Or not this? No, not it's the sweet. Yeah. Oh, it's I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm not doing no 1800.
I don't like it.
Is that Hypnotic? We can. Bet. I love Hypnotic. So guys, this is the bottle we get. Hypnotic.
Do you want to get a shooter?
What's a shooter? Oh, a shot. That's what they call it, a shot?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes, we are.
What, the kinky?
Which one? Yeah, get the kinky. But they only got one?
Yeah.
Damn. The kinky and the small bottle, you only got one left?
This one?
Suncoast's greatest hits, 1079 WSRZ. Looking
This is full. I'll get another one.
No, I have more back here.
Oh, period.
You're doing your owner. Somebody else taxes, taxes.
Oh,
Just have one cold.
great.
I like your hat.
Thank you.
Some numbers and get into laughing.
So one of you gets one's cold.
Yep.
Friday show. You can enjoy the show at one.
And how old are you, young lady?
I am 23.
The show. Get your
All right,
free
now without stereo. Who's buying it?
back microphone.
Who's buying it?
Either one.
Radio app. Like
See, you see.
Party Joke Teller did this morning.
Did you say 23?
I'm 23.
Physician. Kaboom!
Thank you.
A physician. So the way to get the top
So how many of these do you want?
Just two.
Just two?
Yeah.
radio app from the App Store.
About each, huh?
Just search iHeartRadio.
$27.79, please.
Goes up in just about half an hour.
Card or cash?
Card.
What is that?
Oh, this is my camera.
Oh,
Want to lose 10 pounds by next month? With Future Health, you can. Get easy access to for $3 a day. Visit futurehealth.com. Use it without fees to start losing weight this week. Future Health weight loss.
30. How good is the taste? 28. $2 maker. Thank you.
Thank you. You too. He said, what is that? He said, what is that? It's my camera. I don't think he never seen one before.
But now she feels like
Okay, guys. So the bag is secure with the liquor. Now, we are finally heading to the beach. Like, we done turned around just to go, bro. So now, guys, we are heading to the beach. I can't wait to put up the tent, y'all. That's gonna be a vibe. A whole tent. Period. But I'll pick up the camera once we get to the beach, y'all. Alright, guys. First shot of the day.
It's alright.
It cold is really nice. It went down very smooth cold. Okay. It's your face.
It's not that good.
You should have tried it cold. You would have liked it. No? Okay. Okay, guys. I'm serious time. Pick up the camera when we get to the beach. Okay, guys. We made it to the beach. We're trying to collect all of our items. Because we have a lot. I almost dropped y'all. And that's not good. It looks so cute. Y'all, this is the famous $15 tent y'all been seeing on TikTok. And hopefully it goes well. If it don't, I'm gonna be highly disappointed.
Should I bring my blanket or no? No, right?
My blanket? How big is yours? Yours bigger?
It's big. It's like for a queen size.
Bring yours. Yeah, so it can fill the whole tent. Mine's is like a little square. Okay, y'all. Okay, guys. I'm low-key nervous. I don't know. Ready? Let's go. Okay, guys. They are currently walking to the beach. Turn around to not enter. So where do we enter at? When they have like stores and shit. I hope my hat don't fall off, guys. I can't hear it. Yeah. There's a lot of people out here. What the fuck? Bro, everybody named Mama is out here. What the fuck? Go that sand. That's the one thing I don't like about the beach is the sand. I hate it so much. And they got shells and shit. So that shit going in my feet. Ooh.
Yeah.
I should have worn my Crocs. This is a lot of people. This is a lot of people.
You said what?
This is a lot of people.
You like that lady right there.
Ooh, parasailing.
Oh, it's so soft. Feel it. They have a little walkway right there. In the sand.
I mean, shit. That bird close as fuck. It's so quiet.
Right?
I don't hear no noise.
Who wouldn't think it's all these people?
Yeah. Shit, there's only so far we can go. Shit. All the space booked up there. Okay, y'all. Oh, shit. You could be in the video. Okay, y'all, so. Okay, so y'all made it. Y'all are inside of our tent. If you cannot see, I'm gonna show y'all. This tent go hard. Look at this. It's so cute, y'all. Like, it's big enough for 3 people, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can fit 3 people in here. This is the $15 tent that be going around TikTok, and I finally got it. I was trying to get the pink one, but this is gone to do. This was the last one in the store. People were buying that shit up. But we finna take some pictures, take some shots, and I'll record later. Hey, you, bye. Okay, y'all, so we had took a nap in our tent. Now we are at the little supermarket slash food place at the beach to get some water. They have a lot of stuff on here. Okay, period. Are you hungry right now?
Not really.
Okay. We'll just say that for later, guys.
It's just hot in that tent. I might just lay out.
I don't know. The wind was hitting. The wind was hitting me. I don't see none of them. I hope they have bottle waters. Hi. Do you have bottled water? Okay. We'll take 2 of those, please. Yes. That's it.
Okay. It's gonna be $5.85.
Thank you.
And I'll just need you to sign right there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Okay, y'all. So we got us some cold water. This shit look cold as fuck. Period. So we're headed back to the beach. We'll probably get back in the water. Cool off a little bit. But it's very nice out today. Surprisingly.
It's a good day to be at sea.
No, for real. But we're gonna pick up the camera later on. Probably after. But yeah. Okay, y'all. So it is the next day. And I'm finna go ahead and end this beach vlog. Because it got really long. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This beach vlog got really long. So I'm gonna just post this all together as its own YouTube video. But I'm finna start another vlog literally in a couple hours. So if you see me wearing the same shirt, same thing, I'm literally jumping into the next vlog. But other than that, y'all, the beach was fun. I had a great day. I had a great day with my friend. It's always a good time when I'm with her. But with that being said, y'all, thank you for watching my first video with my new camera. The quality goes hard. It's giving very much YouTuber now. But other than that, y'all, please catch me in the next video. The next video should be dropping very, very soon. Hopefully in like 2 weeks. But other than that, y'all, this is the Monet gang, and we is clocking out for this vlog, y'all. Period. I'll see y'all in the next one.